Hi, this is Isha. You're watching a video with Tutors.com. In today's video, we'll be learning about elementary shapes. In this video, we'll first work with perpendicular lines and then we'll work with the classification of triangles. Let's start this lesson with some warm-up questions. You can pause the video here to try these questions. In the first one, we need to say what is the measure of the angle in this given image. So as you can see, this angle is denoted by a little square at the corner. So this angle is 90 degrees in measure. In the second one, we need to circle the rays and tick the lines. So a ray is the one which is having an end point and it is going endlessly in the other direction. So this is a ray given here, and these two are lines because they are going endlessly in both the directions. Now let's move to the first slide where we have perpendicular lines. A line is perpendicular to another line if it meets or intersects at a right angle. Here you can see we have a line L which is perpendicular to line M, and this is how we write it. L perpendicular to M, and it is perpendicular because it is making a right angle, that is a 90-degree angle with that line where it is intersecting. Let's look at the classification of triangles. First, let's look the classification of triangles based on sides. Triangles have three sides. Let's compare between their lengths. The first one is equilateral triangle, where all the three sides are of same length. Then we have isosceles triangle, where two sides are of equal length. However, the third one, it's of different length. Then we have scalene triangle, where we have all the three sides of different lengths. Now we have classification of triangles based on angles. The first one shown here is an acute angle. We remember acute angles are all those angles which are less than 90 degrees. So this is an acute angle because all the angles are less than 90. Then we have a right triangle because here we have one right angle. So because here one angle equals 90 degrees, so we call it a right angle triangle sometimes. The third one is obtuse triangle. The obtuse triangle is because it's having one angle more than 90 degrees, so we call it obtuse angled triangle sometimes, or simply as obtuse triangle. Now we have some practice questions here. You can pause the video to try these practice questions, and when you are done, you can check your answers with the answer slides provided at the end. Thank you for watching this video. For more, please visit justtutors.com.